There is this food truck, like obviously an outdoor in Waterford, and we will be going and we'll have a look what's in there. We haven't been here for a while, haven't we?
Yeah.
Such a long time.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes.
That's the Boston Donuts, new in Waterford.
When it's cold in the dead of winter.
Remember Tino's? What's that? The ice cream. Oh yeah.
But it's cold today,
I
you know?
want.
Huh? It's cold.
Yeah.
I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today.
What's in there?
Baddass burritos.
We're gonna try this place. We haven't been here. Phoenix Yard. Let's check this. Phoenix Yard. What are we gonna check? Come here, come here. We'll check this. Oh, they have this. There's this something like balls, you know, of. And they have this cotton candy. Oh, that's dessert. And it's Baddass burritos. And they have the donuts cabin. Okay.
Wait,
And
it's just
a
a
little
cream?
bit of plant power. The crazy vegetable. Veggies. So, what do you think, guys? So what are you getting, Kian? Just chicken wings, is it?
Chicken wing with barbecue.
Oh, and you?
I want the chicken burrito.
Okay, and it's our
I want the chicken wings.
chicken wings.
Which one?
I'm gonna get one of the burritos. Can we get 2 chicken wings, please? 2 chicken wings. And can I get this burrito, like the Mexican, with the Mexican style? All these things. Is that okay?
What meat do you want? We do pork, chili, beef, chicken, vegetarian.
Chicken, please. Oh, can you do vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna put everything in it for you, yeah?
Perfect. Yeah. And another one, like 2 burritos.
Yeah.
1 chicken.
One chicken,
Yeah.
yeah?
That is my burrito. It's our first time to be here in this place. Looks cool. It's an outdoor. It's an outdoor area. Cool. That looks nice and tasty. Oh, nice one.
Very cool. No one's buying not a lot of people are buying.
So that's the chicken burrito. And some spices here and all the bits. Nice. Two chicken wings, yeah? 2 portions of chicken wings and 2 burritos. Now, got it. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's go. See you guys. Okay. Whoop! That's too heavy.
Wow.
Too heavy.
It's
Fail. Too heavy.
What?
Hold it.
Yeah. Why did it break?
Because of this. Too heavy. Okay. We have it now, and we're just outside, and we'll see how they taste. Maybe. Shall we go for the taste test?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, who's gonna go first?
Me.
Right.
I'll go second.
Right, anyway, we have chicken. Who was the chicken? Chicken?
Me. How do you know
Dara?
it's chicken?
It's written there.
Wait, where?
And so we have chicken wings.
This is where?
I think chicken wings are just, both of them are the same.
Yeah.
That's for you.
Check at the bottom.
And there's another one here.
Yeah.
And for Keen. Alright, so shall we go for taste tests?
Yeah.
And mine is
I know why it's
another
heavy.
burrito. Okay. I've ordered
Oh,
vegan
what
and
the? Oh my god.
everything in it as well.
Testing the chicken.
Okay. That's the chicken wings from this place. Nice?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh my goodness, Dara, that's huge.
Can I try?
Yep. Try it on. OMG. That's a big burrito. Right. Okay, Kian. Oh, it started already.
The same thing that's
Yeah. 2 chicken wings. Now it is my turn. Boom! It's humongous. When we were in Los Angeles, that was like legit when I had this as a maybe, well, not the first, but yeah, it's, you know, it's probably authentic there in Los Angeles because there's so many places, like burrito places in LA, and we'll see how this one tastes. So nice. Certainly it's humongous. So if you happen to come to Waterford, try this out. It's an outdoor kind of a food truck in a way. Right, we'll continue on having this food, and hopefully you'll drop by here and stay safe, guys. All right.